Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel which is called World Current Static GK Platform. So today we are going to do the next quiz, and the quiz is about Indian Constitution, Indian polity. So let's start the video. So here we go. The first question is, the Supreme Court of India declared the right to privacy as a fundamental right in which of the following case? Okay, that's a tricky one. So here are the four options: Mineral Mills case, Keshavnanda Bharati case, Gopalan case, and Justice K.S. Puttaswamy versus Union of India case. So सोचिए इसका आंसर क्या हो सकता है? Okay, the right answer is Supreme Court of India declared the right to privacy as a fundamental right in Justice K.S. Puttaswamy versus Union of India case. Second, presidential rule can be extended for a maximum how much time? 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year. सोचिए क्या हो सकता है आंसर? And the right answer is presidential rule can be extended for a maximum time of 3 years. And here is the trick. The presidential rule can be extended for maximum time of 3 years with the approval of parliament after every 6 months. That's very important. Please note down. Third question. Which article of the Indian Constitution define the term cabinet? So cabinet term किस आर्टिकल के अंडर डिफाइन की गई है? 348, आर्टिकल 349, आर्टिकल 350, आर्टिकल 352. And the right answer is Article 352. Any dispute regarding the age of Judge of High Court is decided by which of the following? Any dispute regarding the age of Judge of High Court is decided by the President of India. Any question regarding the age of Judge of Supreme Court is decided by which of the following? Any question regarding the dispute of the age of Judge of High Supreme Court is decided by, here are the four options. सोचिए क्या हो सकता है आंसर? By an authority as provided by the Parliament of India. So these two questions are really close. Please students note down these two questions. इन्हें बार बार पढ़िए, याद कीजिए. सिर्फ थोड़ा सा फर्क है, क्वेश्चन सेम है. यहाँ पे जो आंसर है कि अगर कोई डिस्प्यूट होता है हाई कोर्ट के जजेस की एज को लेके, उसका जो फैसला है वो करेंगे प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया इन कंसल्टेशन विद द चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया. हम बाद में एंड में पढ़ेंगे एक्सप्लेनेशन में. और सुप्रीम कोर्ट के बारे में अगर कोई क्वेश्चन आता है जजेस के एज के बारे में, तो ऐसी अथॉरिटी जो पार्लियामेंट ने बनाई है वो फैसला करेगी और उनका फैसला फाइनल माना जाएगा. Sixth question. Law Commission of India is a which type of body? Constitutional body, statutory body, non-statutory body, and a state body. So the right answer is Law Commission of India is a non-statutory body. National Crime Tribunal draws its inspiration from which article of India? Here are the four options: Article 14, Article 19, Article 21, 32. So the National Green Tribunal draws inspiration from Article 21. Article 21, which the Constitution of India provides that uh, the state must provide clean air environment to the people of India. इसके ऊपर ही ये नेशनल ग्रीन ट्रिब्यूनल इंस्पायर होता है. Which parliament committee are known as sister committees? Here are the four options: Public Count Committee, Estimate Committee, Committee under Public Undertaking, Public Count Committee, Financial Committees, and Committee of Inquiries. So the two committees which are called sister committees are Public Count Committee and Estimate Committee. So the Railway Budget and General Budget was merged on the recommendation of which committee? So here are the four options: Justice Verma Committee, Vivek Debroy Committee, Ajay Makhan Committee, and Niti Yog. So the right answer is Railway Budget and General Budget was merged on the recommendation of Vivek Debroy Committee in 2017. And who appoints the chairman of all the parliamentary committee in Lok Sabha? Here are the four options. सोचिए क्या हो सकता है आंसर? And the right answer is it is the Speaker of Lok Sabha who appoints all the chairperson of all the parliamentary committee in Lok Sabha. NABARD. So NABARD was established in which year? So the full form of NABARD is National Agriculture Bank for Rural Development, and I think NABARD was established in 1982. So let's click on the finish button. Let's see कि ये जो last question मुझे लगता है ये हमारा सही है या नहीं है. So let's see. Let's click the finish button. जी बिल्कुल सही है. और आप देख सकते हैं कि इन दी एंड आपने फिनिश को क्लिक किया तो आपके सारे जो रिजल्ट आ गए उसके बाद आपके जो आंसर आपने लगाए हैं उसके बारे में आ गया, वो क्यों आंसर है. सो द फर्स्ट आंसर एंड explanation is Supreme Court of India declared right to privacy as a fundamental right, under which case Supreme Court of India in a historic verdict under Justice K.S. Puttaswamy vs. Union of India case declared right to privacy as a fundamental right under Article 14, 19 and Article 21. So present rule. Present rule can be extended for maximum period of 3 years with approval of Parliament after every 6 months. This is really important. Must note down these small details. Which article of Indian Constitution defines term cabinet? So Article 3(2) of India Constitution defines the term cabinet as Council of Ministers, consisting of Prime Minister and Minister of Cabinet rank. Any dispute regarding the age of Judge of High Court is decided by President of India in consultation with the Chief Justice of India and is considered final. आपको मैंने कहा था ये दोनों क्वेश्चन काफ़ी नज़दीक हैं, प्लीज़ केयरफुली इन्हें जल्दी से याद कीजिए और इनकी डिफरेंस को पता कीजिए, क्योंकि यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ है, प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया एंड अथॉरिटी क्रिएटेड बाय द पार्लियामेंट. Any question regarding the age judge of Supreme Court of India to be decided by such authority in such manner as provided by Parliament of India. So this is the difference between these two questions. Law Commission of India is a non-statutory body. The first Law Commission of India, Independent India, was established in 1955 under M.C. Stilwart. National Game Tribunal draws inspiration from Article 21 of the Constitution, which ensures citizen of India the right to healthy environment. This is really, really important. The parliamentary committees are called sister committees are Public Account Committee and Estimate Committee. In 2017, Railway Budget and General Budget was merged on the recommendation of Vivek Debroy Committee. The chairperson, Speaker of Lok Sabha, appoints chairperson of all the parliamentary committees of Lok Sabha. And हमारा जो डाउट था वो सही था, मुझे लग रहा था इसमें दोनों से एक आंसर है, लेकिन 92 में जो लगाया था वो सही है. So National Bank for Agriculture Road Development was established in 1982 on the recommendation of Shivaraman Committee. The main aim of to provide credit for development. The main aim of Namarth Bank is to provide credit for development of agriculture, small industry and cottage industry. This is really, really important. जो कमेटी है जिन्होंने रेकमेंड किया था, इसको भी आपको याद करना है. कई बार कमेटी पूछ लेते हैं कि कमेटी कौन सी थी जिन्होंने रेकमेंड किया था कि नमार्थ जैसी एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को इस्टेब्लिश करना चाहिए. सो आपने देख लिया कि जिस तरह से हमने सारे MCQ किए, और मैं यही कहूँगा कि आप भी इनको अगर n नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स करना चाहते हैं तो ये वेबसाइट है मेरी science-math-education-platform.in. यहाँ पे जाके आप डेली MCQ क्विज पे जाके n नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स प्रैक्टिकली इन MCQs को अटेम्प्ट कर सकते हैं फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट, और अपने आप को चेक कर सकते हैं. स्पेशली 5 मिनट्स के प्रेशर टाइम में यहाँ पे जब आप शुरू करेंगे तो 5 मिनट्स ऑटोमेटिकली चल पड़ेंगे, तो आपका टाइम मैनेजमेंट अच्छी तरीके से आप सीख जाओगे. ओके, सो दिस द एंड ऑफ दिस वीडियो. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई हो, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब द वीडियो, लाइक, शेयर एंड कमेंट. It will really help the channel to grow. So we'll meet tomorrow. Thank you very much.